Good morning, breakfast lovers. Today, we have a treat for you, the perfect Egg Omelet Delight. This quick and easy recipe is guaranteed to satisfy your taste buds and kickstart your day with a mouth-watering breakfast. Let's get started. You will need 3 eggs, some diced vegetables like bell peppers and onions, grated cheese, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk them until they're smooth and frothy. Now, grab a non-stick pan and heat it on medium-high heat. Once it's hot, add a little oil or butter to coat the pan. Next, pour the whisked eggs into the pan, swirling them around to create a thin, even layer. Now, it's time to add the diced vegetables. Sprinkle them on top of the eggs, distributing them evenly. Follow up with a generous handful of grated cheese, because who doesn't love a cheesy omelet? Season it with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper for that extra burst of flavor. Let the omelet cook for a few minutes, or until the edges start to set. Then, using a spatula, carefully fold one side of the omelet over the other, creating the classic half-moon shape. Cook for another minute or 2 until the cheese is melted and the omelet is golden brown. Slide it onto a plate and enjoy the moment when the gooey cheese oozes out with each bite. Pure breakfast perfection. You can serve this delightful omelet on its own, or pair it with toast and a side of fresh fruit for a complete and satisfying breakfast. It's a versatile dish that you can customize with your favorite ingredients. So, what are you waiting for? Whip up this Egg Omelet Delight and start your day off right with a scrumptious breakfast.